guys, let's learn with me one of the most popular melodies from the movie Schindler's List. This course you will find followed by link in description to this video. As far you will print course, I will play you this version which I did specially for beginners who just start to play cello or maybe been playing before but little bit forget how to do that. So, version with simple tonality D minor, bowing and fingering, which suits mostly for beginners who just start. So, go on, I'm playing melody. Such a nice sounds melody. So what I can advise you to play legatissimo, very good smooth vibrato, without breaks, without any halts or maybe stopping bow. No, don't use that. So mostly here we have détaché and legato, which is very smooth bowing. So we should sound as we are singing. So from one note to other note, we are going very smooth. And then try to keep vibrato where you can do that. Don't press fingers. Try to use your inertia from shoulder, inertial vibrato. Yes, and also use the elbow and breathe deeply. So try to do this melody coming from one note to other. And we are starting. So this is mostly first position with open string. So we are starting from G note. This is slow tempo, right? 1, 2, 3, and then open. First finger. Second first, open again, and then we are going on with open strings. Try to play this very smooth bow coming from one string to other. Yeah, let's play it from beginning. And then we continue in the first position. Open A, open A again, very important, some kind of caress bow, just caress, don't press string, don't press. Try to be in a good playing zone, which is between fingerboard and bridge, like here. Yeah, so try to keep this very full sound, round sound. Don't press and don't play with too light hand, like from the beginning. But I believe in you, you will play. So A, and then A, it will be also A, D. We are playing flageolet, so we are not pressing string to fingerboard, we're just playing. So the sound is a little bit similar with wind instrument sound, right? And this B flat is very close to A. And here on F, take finger number 4. It's written finger number first, but I think it's a small mistake. And then this will be F, G, 4 first. And then finger number 1, and again second. So we are playing second. And then again 2 flageolets, and A and on D. So here we have C, B flat, A, G. Fingers 3, 2, 1, 4. And here finger number 1. Notes C, B flat, E, G. Fingers 4, 2, 1, 4. And then B flat, A, G, F. And fingers 3, 2, 4, 2. Again from the beginning of the second phrase. And then notes G, B flat, finger 4 and 2. I'm explaining which note for somebody maybe who doesn't know how to play in this key. So I'm helping a little bit. Notes A, G, E. And here we are going by scale in D minor. So it will be flageolet A with the finger number 3, and then G, F, E, and then D. So fingers flageolet 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. And now again from the beginning, and let's check the bowing, the notes, and fingering. Hope you like this melody and how it sounds, and I wish you good luck in learning this lesson and this course. Hope it was simple for you. If not, write me in a comment. And again, if you would like to play cello, don't be afraid. In any age it's possible. I think to give the joy and to enjoy the music to play in cello. This is very, very good. So just write to me in case that you would like to learn cello, or in case if you have some troubles maybe while to play cello. Okay, so hope you like this lesson. I'm waiting for your feedback, and bye bye.